Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So welcome back to the Park Tool edition. And like some of you already told me in the comments down there, I always love doing the reviews for you guys when it comes to Park Tool stuff. And recommending which one you should buy, what you shouldn't buy, how do they perform and whatnot. And I said, let's do another Park Tool edition tonight. Okay, by the way, before we go any further, I just wanted to let you know that I finally purchased the bicycle mount for my bike. And I'm going to be doing a review just to see if this thing is worth it. I bought it off Amazon and I put a description down there if you guys can buy one. And we'll do a post-up review if this was worth buying or whatnot. Now, for now, put this thing for now aside and let's come into the Park Tool edition as a mechanic on a budget, what you should buy, what you shouldn't buy. Now let me give you a little info before I go any further. Some of you out there are just like me and you like buying endless Park Tool stuff. But what I want to do with this video over here, I want to show you what you should buy as essential when you want to start off, rather than buying all kind of sets of tools which you're not going to be using, but at the same time you're going to be spending a lot of money on them. Oh, by the way, I will also include the links on Amazon for all these that you have over here. And let's get into it as soon as possible. Now, the first one that I would really recommend before you go into any Park Tool collection is this thing. MB3, I believe. You cannot go wrong with this one. I have a description down at the bottom, a full review on it that I have done. And just want to quickly show you, this is the little older edition. So this one is just a little older, but you see what I'm talking about here. I will include the full review at the bottom, but this is the main tool that I really like using. You have like, you see the chain breaker tool. You have all these mini tools that you can use. And then you also have all these Allen selection of tools. So really nice over here. Now let's go with another one that I really like. So I'm gonna put this one back, but another one that's a little bit I would say inexpensive, and I really like having it. It is this guy over here. Look, I believe I bought this really inexpensively on Amazon over here, and this is the Park Tool meter. I'm gonna just close it. Beautiful. Now, if you look over here, it has that blue meter tape inside. So this is a really handy one. Now, I do also have some other ones that are much bigger and bulkier, like this one from kind of like a Dollarama. But you see the difference? If I put it in my hand, I really like the Park Tool. It really gives you like that nice touch. So that's one of the reasons why I bought it. And I'm really happy with the performance and so far with how it has held up. Let's put this aside and go to the another one. Now, another one that I really like is this thing. Let me get into it. AWS1. This is a really clever purchase. Love the ergonomics when I hold it. Basically, this is going to help you to do your brake jobs and whatnot. Now, the only thing that I'm not sure here is that I'm not sure if you can purchase the single one or you gotta buy the set. However, if I were you, you definitely want to just buy the single one. The chances are that the set, which is, I believe, AWS2, is much smaller. And to be honest with you, I didn't really found good use of it, of that one. So the AWS1 is a really one that really got quite a lot use of it, of this one over here. Now let's move to another one that I really also like, and it's a similar situation like your Allen key is my lovely, and I cannot stress how much I love this one. I'm gonna just put it aside here. Is if you look here, SD2. Now you gotta remember which model you want to pick. One of my favorite tools out there, SD2. Cannot stress enough how important is it. Really love the tool, and it has helped me quite a bit around my housework. Yeah, so like I said, SD2, as you can see over here nicely. So SD2, one of my favorite, if not the favorite by far, Park Tool wrenches. Very soft handle, a little bit harder here for durability. You cannot go wrong. You cannot beat the price. The only negative side, I could be wrong, you gotta buy them in sets. I think the Park Tool got a little gritty, and they sell them in the sets. So my advice to you would be, if you can buy the a single one, that would be really nice. DS2 is the one that you're gonna use a lot. Just AWS1. Apparently this one works on my car plates, all kind of crevices in my car and whatnot, and it really has used me quite well. So that's that for my screwdriver. And this is let's move on to another one here, which is the last one. This one, Park Tool levers. I believe you can find these on Amazon quite cheap. I put a link in the description down there. But you cannot go wrong with these. And if you look carefully over here, when I opened the box, I believe it says USA. So these were not made in China, they were made in USA. Again, even the stuff that's made in China, Park Tool has been proved to work quite decently. And this is the tool that is fairly inexpensive out there for what you get. But it's quite sturdy. It gives you that nice... you don't have to use your wrench in order to install your tire. It's really what you need over here, and you get 3 of them. So that's really a nice touch from the Park Tool that they included 3 of them that I would include over there. So again, let me just recap. If you're starting off as a home mechanic, these are your essential Park Tools that you want to buy. You don't want to start buying and spending all your money on the Park Tool sets, because chances are you're not going to use it, and you're going to just spend a lot of money. And of course, you guys know how expensive Park Tool is. So this will be a kind of narrow down video what you really need as a home mechanic, what I would start off and what I would buy if I was in your scenario. And I wish someone did this video a little earlier, just to let me know what I should buy, so I don't buy all kind of useless tools that I'm not going to be using, but I'm going to be at the same time spending a lot of money. I hope this was useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. And all the links are in the description, as well as the reviews. Take care, and bye-bye.